You're at the grocery store, reaching for your usual brand of salt. But there's something that catches your eye. A tiny jar with the words bamboo salt. The price tag? A cool $100 for just 250 grams. Before you write it off as a mistake, this is the most expensive salt on the planet. And its demand is only increasing every day. So what makes this salt worth more than a week's worth of groceries? Let's dive into the world of bamboo salt for all the answers. It's a Korean treasure that's got some major tradition behind it. Bamboo salt is also known as jejeum. It's a Korean commodity with a 1,000-year-old history. This isn't your usual salt shaker refill. Packed with minerals and having a super high alkaline level, bamboo salt is a staple in Korean homes. It's used for both cooking and health remedies, but more on that later. Turns out, Buddhist monks invented this way back when, using a secret method involving bamboo stalks and high heat. They weren't just after a flavor boost, they were creating a traditional medicine for the Korean people. Fast forward to the 20th century, and a renowned herbalist named Kim Il-hoon takes things up a notch. He figures out that roasting the salt with bamboo, clay, and pine wood 9 times removes even more toxins. It boosts the minerals and basically unlocks the full health potential of this magical salt. While the price tag might scream gourmet, bamboo salt surprisingly finds its way into everyday Korean cuisine. A sprinkle adds a subtle, savory depth to soups, stews, and grilled meats. The unique, slightly smoky flavor complements vegetables and seafood since it adds to their natural sweetness. For adventurous cooks, bamboo salt elevates kimchi, the spicy fermented cabbage that's a staple in Korea. Its alkalinity can help balance the acidity of the dish, creating a more complex flavor profile. So, the history definitely adds to the price tag, but the main culprit's the preparation. Making bamboo salt isn't easy. They start with pure sea salt, stuff it into a bamboo tube, and then blast it with heat. We're talking over 800 degrees Celsius. But the bamboo isn't just there for nothing. The high heat unlocks minerals hidden inside the bamboo, infusing the salt with something extra. Roasting it multiple times intensifies this mineral magic and changes the color of the salt. Now, this isn't a quick heating job. The whole process can take up to 45 days, from packing the salt to breaking the giant rock it becomes after roasting. And there's a lot of elbow grease involved. It's done entirely by hand, no machines here. Now the price tag makes a bit more sense, right? Finally, there's the ultimate test, getting the salt to a super high temperature in a special kiln. This final blast transforms it into a rock-solid masterpiece. But don't worry, they break it down into manageable pieces before it hits your salt shaker. The whole process, from hand packing to high heat roasting, explains the big price tag of bamboo salt. Honestly, it's a labor of love, and the result is a salt that's not just delicious, but packed with minerals and steeped in tradition. Here's why bamboo salt isn't just another jar in the spice rack. It's a seasoned veteran with a whole lot to offer. First, forget about those mystery contaminants lurking in other salts. Pollution's a real problem, and it can leave regular salt riddled with microplastics and heavy metals. Not cool. But here's the magic of bamboo salt. The high heat roasting process drives out those unwanted contaminants. Speaking of magic, bamboo salt has a whopping 70+ minerals, kind of like a multivitamin. These minerals are essential for keeping your body running smoothly, and the best part? The makeup of bamboo salt is surprisingly similar to our own bodies. Talk about a perfect match. But wait, there's more. Bamboo salt also rocks a super high pH level, making it a champion of alkalinity. This translates to helping neutralize acidic foods and potentially even influencing your body's overall pH. Science is still figuring this one out, but if you're into a bit of mystical mumbo-jumbo, some believe bamboo salt carries a special chi energy due to the 5 elements used in its creation. Plus, in Korea, the number 9 used in the roasting process symbolizes completeness and good health. The visual appeal of bamboo salt adds another layer to its allure. The fine crystals come in varying shades, from a light gray to a deep purple, depending on the roasting process. Some chefs use it for plating, creating an elegant texture garnish on dishes. So, the big question, is bamboo salt worth its price tag? Let's break it down. The real kicker is the cost. We're talking $179 to $224 per kilogram for the 9-time roasted variety, the cream of the crop. Koreans know it's expensive, but many swear by its value. Korean culture places a big emphasis on food's health benefits, and bamboo salt has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. The 9-time roasting process, developed in the 20th century, is said to remove even more toxins and boost the mineral content. This isn't just some modern cooking salt. Bamboo salt finds its way into everything from toothpaste and soap to various health remedies. Sure, it's still salt, but there's more to the story. As the salt roasts with the bamboo, it takes on a unique, almost egg yolk-like flavor that deepens with each roasting. Plus, no bitterness to ruin the party. Here's the tricky part. Proponents tout benefits ranging from digestion and oral health to skincare and even anti-cancer properties. Sounds impressive, but extensive scientific studies are lacking. It does contain higher levels of iron, potassium, and calcium than regular sea salt. It might boost your immune system, but the beneficial minerals make up a small percentage of the overall salt. The WHO even suggests specialty salts like bamboo salt offer little nutritional advantage. So if you're chasing scientifically proven health benefits, you might be better off sticking with a good quality sea salt. But even without solid scientific backing, bamboo salt's still a big deal. Companies like Insanga are making millions, and the traditional hands-on process isn't going anywhere. But here's the cool part. Some modern producers are trying out sustainable practices. They're using renewable bamboo and eco-friendly kilns, which means the production process is becoming more environmentally friendly. Now, whether bamboo salt's massive price tag is worth it for the health benefits is up to you. It's definitely unique, with a rich history and a flavor that stands out. So, there you have it. Bamboo salt is a mineral-packed, tradition-filled gem. It's made by hand and the process definitely takes its toll. The price might make you pause, but for some, the health perks and unique qualities make it a good buy. And that's all from us. If you want to know why some things are so darn expensive, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.